Welcome back users. In today's video, we are doing a installation of Ultramarine Linux with Pantheon Desktop. So let us start. Ultramarine Linux is based on Fedora. So you can use the Fedora template. You can go for the 4 GB RAM and around 25 GB of hard disk. So that will be good enough. We will do the manual partitioning this time. So new users will get an idea how to partition their hard drive. Always remember, whenever you partition your hard disk, you have to take backup of your complete system in a hard drive, a separate hard drive or a separate system, because sometimes the problem will occur. You will commit some of the changes which were harmful to your system and get up a mess system and lose your data. Benefits of using Ultramarine Linux is that you get the Pantheon Desktop. You can also install Pantheon Desktop in Fedora, but in Fedora the Pantheon Desktop version is very old. You get the latest Pantheon Desktop here in Ultramarine Linux. And second is uh, you get a more beautiful system. In Fedora it is just very, you can say, very basic and very simple minimalistic desktop, but here you will get some more decorations. The system looks more beautiful, and of course you get the benefits of using Fedora, that is the latest technology, latest packages, everything is latest, and you get a default support to the flat hub, that is the flat packs. Then there is a copper repository of Fedora which is also available here. So everything that goodness Fedora has, it is available in Ultramarine Linux. And Ultramarine Linux adds the easiness of operating the system. It is more friendly to the new users. So let us start. Let us install it to the hard drive. You can see the Pantheon Desktop. It is very neat and clean and very beautiful. And of course, it is more easy to use than the GNOME Desktop. I personally feel this. You might be feeling or you might experience another way, but this is what I feel, this is what I experience. So let us do the partitioning first. You have to select this advanced custom Blewett GUI, then click on done. So that will open up the partition manager. Click on new. So always remember, you have to do the EFI partition more than 500 MB. Otherwise, there are chances that the partition will fail and then your system won't boot up. So better is go with 600 or 700 MB of the partition. You can go with the sorry, where is this? VFAT will also not do. Okay, you can go with the extended 4 anyway. So mount point will be boot again /EFI and label will be boot. And let us see what they have got in the advanced. So the partition type is primary, of course. Now click OK. Now again go, click new. So we are given around 4 GB of RAM, so you can give around 6 GB, or even you can go with 4 GB also. That won't be an issue, because the hard disk we have only kept 25 GB, so 6 plus this, so it will almost take around 15 or 16 GB of installation only, considering the root image and the swap. So it will be around more than 15 GB. So that is not good. Let us keep it to 4 GB only. 4 GB of swap is more than enough in most machines. Now mount point is, you have to there is no mount point, you have to just add it is swap. Add the label, or you can even yes, file system, you have to mention swap. Rest of the things will be picked up by the system itself. Done. Now the rest of the space you can do as a root partition. So we will go with the extended 4. Label is root or system, you can call it system also. Mount point will be just slash forward slash. You can encrypt or you can not encrypt, but if you encrypt you have to always remember the password, and if you forget the password then your system data access will be very difficult. Then you have to use the rescue methods to do that, but it is very difficult. Better not to do the encryption if you are not comfortable. So this is the way to do the partitioning. So we are now done with the partitioning. Let us check it once. So the boot partition is 716 MB. Then we have got the 4 GB swap and the 18.87 GB of system or the root partition. I think you are done correct partitioning. We are now confident. Let us hit the done button 2 times. So now it is giving the summary of changes. You have to just check the summary of changes. Okay. Accept changes. So right now the user won't be created. The user will be created when we boot for the first time. So you can just click on it. Okay, the user it is offering. Sometimes it offers the user at first boot. So I will put just simple name and a simple password. That's it. If you want to check what is given in the advanced menu, you can click on here. So here you, of course it is for the advanced user, so you can specify user ID, you can specify the group the user belongs to, group membership, you can add the user to the following group. So by default it will be added to the admin or the sudoers group, that is the wheel group, but you can even add some more groups like the backup group, or you can say the system maintenance group, like that. So you save the changes, click on done. You have to always click 2 times. So now you can begin the installation. Installation is automatic, you have to just wait because the user has been already created. Okay, so Ultramarine Linux Pantheon Desktop is installed. I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will do a detailed review of the Ultramarine Linux and also check out the background of Ultramarine Linux, what they have for the users. Everything we will do in the next video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.